Welcome to West Java. These are some of the charms of natural beauty in West Java. There are mountains, there are seas, there are lakes, there are plantations, and many others. Nature really makes our hearts comfortable. So take care of the nature around us. All of these are gifts from the Almighty Creator that we must protect together. Not only in Indonesia, but in all parts of the world. Wherever, whenever, take care of the nature around us. Everyone should care about nature. The universe and all creatures in the world should love each other. Let's together protect the universe so that we avoid natural disasters. Healthy nature, beautiful nature, all will be comfortable if we take care of it together. Remember, this nature belongs to us all. In Asia, Europe, Africa, the Middle East, all have extraordinary natural beauty. Don't let it be damaged by irresponsible people. Let's fight together for the future of our children and grandchildren. May God have mercy on us all. Greetings from Indonesia to the world. Thank you.